friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. First of all, wish all the women out there a very happy Women's Day. Today, let's check out how to make a Holi special recipe, Rangoli cookies. This is a very colorful recipe that brings joy and delight for the Holi festival. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a bowl, I've taken 125 grams of unsalted butter. Make sure the butter is in room temperature. Whisk it well using a hand blender for 2 to 3 minutes until the butter turns pale. Now to this, add half cup of sugar little at a time and continue to whisk. Then add 1 egg yolk and whisk it well. Now to this, add half teaspoon of vanilla essence and give it a quick mix. Add a pinch of salt to 1.5 cups of maida and add little at a time and mix it well. Now we are ready with a smooth cookie dough. Split the content into 4 portions. Add red to the first one, blue to the second one, green to the third one, and yellow to the fourth one. Mix the colors well. Cover it using a cling wrap and refrigerate for 2 hours. It's been 2 hours now. A colorful cookie dough is out from the refrigerator. Place a butter paper on your work area. Spread the colorful cookie dough in random design. Place another butter paper on top and roll it using a rolling pin. Don't make it too thin nor too thick. 5 mm thickness should be good. Now using a cookie cutter, make cuts. You can go with the bottle lid or any shape of your choice. Heat a kadai, place a stand on it, place the cookies in idli plates, place the idli plate on the stand, close it with the lid and cook in low flame for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes now, so let's open and check. Give it a 20 minutes rest time. It's been 20 minutes now, so we can now remove it from the idli plate and enjoy. It's nicely done and super crispy, so do try this at your home for this Holi and enjoy. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.